In this video, I want to show you where the fuse box is located on your LaCrosse. If you're in Canada, this model is called the Allure. So to do so, well, there's two different locations. The first one is on the passenger side and the other one is under the hood. I'll show you both. So let's go there first. Okay, open the door of the passenger side and remove this panel. You see, you can put your fingers here, pull on it, and each fuses will be identified on this diagram. The fuse box is located right over here. So this is fuse box number one. To put back this panel, you just have to jam it here and to clip it back. Pop the hood and the fuse box is located on the left side. Just have to remove this clip. Open, and here is your fuse box with some relays as well. And again, this cap will have a diagram telling you which fuse is which. It's very easy. I'm glad they did this. Not every brands are doing that. I think it's a must. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll try to read all the comments.